English teachers online talk to hundreds or thousands or even millions of students. I talk to 30 in a tiny French school in the countryside. And every year I watch kids who want to give up English completely, and I never let them, because I know exactly what to do when a student reaches the point where they say, I can't do this anymore. And today I'm going to show you exactly how I keep them going, so that you can keep going too. Never give up. A few weeks ago, one of my boys walked into class. He dropped his bag on the table and he said, "Sir, I'm done. Learning English is impossible." He's 14, tired, he's overwhelmed, and honestly, I knew exactly how he felt, because learning a language can feel humiliating. So that morning, it was raining outside, the whole class felt heavy. Nobody wanted to speak, nobody wanted to make mistakes, especially not in front of their friends. And that was the moment right there that most students break. And it's the moment where a teacher decides to give up or to try something else. So here's what I do when a student is ready to quit. And it always works, because it removes fear and it builds confidence and creates momentum. Here are the 3 things that I do every time. The first thing is to remove the pressure. I try to remove 99% of the pressure. I don't ask for perfect English. I ask for something. One word, one idea, or just one tiny win. Students don't quit because English is hard. They quit because English makes them feel stupid. And my job is to remove that feeling completely. The second thing I do is I correct one mistake. Only one thing. Not 10. Not everything they got wrong. Just one thing. One mistake keeps a student confident. If I correct 20 things, that could take away their confidence. The third thing that I do is I show them what they got right. Remember that boy I told you about? When he said, "English is impossible," I didn't correct him. I wrote it on the board and I circled it and I said, "Look, that was perfect English." And in that moment, he realised something really important. He can speak English. He just thought he couldn't. And that belief changes everything. That day, he spoke 3 full sentences in my class. Not perfect, not polished, but real. And real is what builds confidence. So, a week later, he came back. Same seat, same tired eyes, but something had changed. He sat down, looked at me and said, "Sir, I tried again at home on my own." And that's it. That's the moment. Not perfection. No complex grammar, just courage. One more try. That's how students grow. And that's how anyone grows. If you're watching this and you're struggling with English, don't quit. You are not failing. You're learning. And learning is messy. It always is. You don't need perfect grammar. You need tiny wins and the courage to try again. Stay here with me. I'll help you get those wins. And whatever happens, never give